Stability AI Clipdrop has introduced a novel AI-driven tool called Uncrop, which empowers users to adjust the aspect ratio of any image by extending the background through an outpainting technique. Uncrop, available at no cost on the Clipdrop web app without requiring a login, leverages the advanced capabilities of Stability AI's Stable Diffusion XL text-to-image model to reconstruct images and expand their visual canvas. Essentially, Uncrop serves as a free alternative to Photoshop's recently introduced generative fill feature, allowing users to unleash their creativity without limitations. Firefly has been seamlessly incorporated into the Adobe Express app, enabling users to swiftly create posters, videos, flyers, TikToks, Reels, and various other graphics within seconds. The latest Adobe Express presents a comprehensive solution by seamlessly integrating generative AI capabilities with a number of features like instant generation of images and text effects based on a given text prompt, advanced video editing and mixed media creation, full compatibility with Photoshop, collaborative creation through multiplayer functionality, and more. This integration has significantly enhanced the accessibility of high-quality video editing and graphic design, making it more convenient than ever before. Runway has recently unveiled Gen 2, the latest iteration of their text-to-video tool. With Gen 2, users now have the ability to effortlessly generate remarkable videos within seconds using only text as input. OpenAI has rolled out an update for ChatGPT on iPad, introducing optimizations for a full-screen experience and incorporating new functionalities. In addition to the full-screen display feature, ChatGPT on all iOS devices now supports drag-and-drop functionality, simplifying the process of transferring messages to other applications. Furthermore, a notable enhancement is the ability for users to summon ChatGPT using Siri, and seamlessly integrate it with Apple's Shortcuts feature. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be instantly notified of regular updates. Thanks for watching.